Happy Thanksgiving. I just wanted to take a moment to thank each and every one of you who has come in to Berkshire Fitness Company this year, and for all of you who might be watching this who are going to come in. This is a little video for you to just give you an idea for some movement. Sometimes we get a little stressed out with the holidays. It's really helpful to take a minute to breathe, take a moment for yourself, and just kind of reset. So give this a try. Put one foot in front of the other. You're going to exhale down and inhale up. Exhale down and inhale up. Take one hand down and cross it over. And inhale up the other way. Cross it over. And inhale up the other way. Before we switch sides, I'm just going to take a minute and do some of these figure eights. Just get everything moving. Reset ourselves. Down, exhale down, and inhale up. We'll switch legs. Left leg forward now. Exhale down. Inhale up. We'll do it one more time. We'll go down and cross. And up. Down. And up. We'll cross the other way. Really letting your air out as you go down. We'll do a few of those figure eights. Other hand. Exhale down.